What is up? This is your girl, Bevy B. What up, YouTubers? Ah! Yeah, so I'm in a different area now. Basically, I didn't do a video yesterday, so I kind of make up for it. Not that anyone really cares, but yeah, that counts. So today the weather out here is really beautiful out here today. Just having a great time. Yeah, trying to come up with different ideas. But anyways, got a couple things that I hate. Just came from the mall, so I got a couple things that I hate. Yeah, when you have a broken leg, don't go to the mall, because I'm gonna get mad at you for walking too slow. I don't care. You had a choice, and you made the wrong one. Just saying. And, yeah, if you ask me what time it is, and you do this, and you don't have a watch, yeah, you should probably get one. So, yeah, school, man, it's almost like about, a week away after this week is over. I'm still not ready for school, but me being a senior, so I'm excited, but at the same time, kind of scared. I'm gonna be making a shitload of new friends because no one has my classes. But yeah, so this is gonna be kind of crazy. But yeah, I just want to talk. Yeah, people. Oh, yeah, just like in the mall. If you're in school and you walk slow, like, speed up the walking process, okay? The hallway is not owned by you. I don't see your name anywhere in the hallway. Moving along faster. I got places to go and people to see. Just saying. So do not walk slow in the hallways. Please don't. And don't form a crowd in the middle of a freaking hallway. That burns me up inside. Seriously. You're not that popular to have people circle around taking up the whole middle of the hallway. I mean, people have some place to go. Like, my gym class is here. My history class is on the second floor up there. So please, make it easy on us, okay? And we won't shove you in your locker. Just saying. This is tips for not just freshmen, but for everyone. It's not just freshmen, it's sophomores, it's juniors, hell, it's even seniors, because seniors think they're all that too, alright? But anyways, just want to get a couple things that have been bothering me off my mind. And I recently left the keys in my grandma's car. Luckily we got help. Yeah, don't lock your keys in the car. I would not suggest that or wish that on anyone. So yeah, I'll see you guys later, and remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on Twitter at BEVVYHOPE. Alright, see you guys later. Peace.